Have you ever wondered if your credit score is being used without your knowledge? Or perhaps you're simply looking to reduce your expenses. Today, we're going to delve into the world of credit reporting agencies and, more specifically, how to cancel your TransUnion subscription in Canada. Credit reporting agencies like TransUnion play a vital role in our financial lives. They collect and maintain information about our credit history, which is used by lenders to assess our creditworthiness. While this information is essential for obtaining loans, credit cards, and other financial products, it's also important to understand that you have the right to control your credit data. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of canceling your TransUnion subscription. We'll cover various methods, including online cancellation, phone cancellation, and sending a written request. Online cancellation. Accessing the TransUnion portal, the first step is to visit the TransUnion Canada website. Look for the My Credit or Manage Your Account section. You should be able to find a login link there. Logging in, enter your TransUnion username and password. If you don't have an account, you might need to create one using your personal information. Finding the cancellation option, once logged in, navigate through the website's menus to find the subscription or account settings section. Look for an option to cancel your subscription or manage your account. Confirming cancellation, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your cancellation. You might be asked to provide additional information or verify your identity. Phone cancellation. Finding the contact number, check the TransUnion Canada website for their customer service phone number. It should be listed under Contact Us or a similar section. Calling customer service, dial the provided number and explain to the representative that you want to cancel your TransUnion subscription. Be prepared to provide your personal information for verification. Confirming cancellation, the representative will guide you through the cancellation process. Make sure to request a confirmation email or letter as proof of cancellation. Written request. Preparing the letter, write a clear and concise letter stating your intention to cancel your TransUnion subscription. Include your personal information, account number, if applicable, and a request for confirmation of cancellation. Mailing the letter, address the letter to the appropriate TransUnion department. You can find the address on their website or contact customer service for assistance. Additional considerations. Freezing your credit. If you're concerned about identity theft, consider freezing your credit report with all three major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. This will prevent new credit accounts from being opened in your name without your authorization. Dispute errors. If you find any errors in your credit report, you can dispute them with TransUnion. They are required to investigate and correct any inaccuracies. Opting out of pre-screened offers, you can opt out of receiving pre-screened offers for credit cards and loans. This helps reduce the amount of junk mail you receive. Canceling your TransUnion subscription is a simple process that can help you regain control over your personal information. By understanding the different methods available and following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily terminate your subscription and take proactive steps to protect your credit. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.